Hey, Tim N7KOM here. We are up for a late afternoon, early evening activation of Whiskey 7 India Sierra Romeo 136, a little two-pointer up here in Idaho. So we just drove up from council, following kind of a Jeep track right now. We decided to just park back there, hike the rest, rather than trying to take the vehicle through the forest here. Pretty easy jaunt, about a half mile. A little bit of gain. Let's get going. Found an old fence line. I think we pretty much just follow this. Little bushwhack through some wildflowers. All right, good views. We got Council Mountain over there. Let's get on the air. I don't think I'll have too much action on 2 meters, so I'm not gonna bother putting the J-pole up. We're gonna try with the Long Ranger. CQ, N7KOM, mountaintop portable, calling any station for summits on the air. SOTA CQ.
Golf 7, Kilo Mike Victor.
Kilo Golf 7, Kilo Mike Victor. I got you at a 5-7 up here from an unnamed peak.
I'm also summit on the air for Schaefer Butte.
Oh, awesome. Summit to summit. CQ, mountaintop portable, N7KOM. All right, I got 5 contacts with that VHF summit to summit, and the mosquitoes are out, bugs are all over us, so I don't think we're gonna hang out for the sunset. We're both in shorts and t-shirts, so we're gonna pack on up real quick and get out of these bugs. Killed a mosquito on the GoPro.